Salvia mellifera, commonly known as black sage, is a plant belonging to the coastal sage scrub community native to California, Baja California, and Mexico, although it is a sage plant you are most likely to see along the trails in our local mountains here in California. Although black sage is most commonly found in the coastal scrub of Southern California, it can also be found among hard chaparral and even in desert scrub communities in California. Black sage has simple leaves with alternate leaf arrangement. Its leaves are also acute and pinnate. The average size of black sage is most commonly seen at 3 feet, but they are capable of growing up to 6 feet in height in optimal conditions. Black sage has a perennial life cycle, meaning it lives for more than 2 growing cycles. It usually dies in the winter and produces new growth in the spring. In the spring, black sage blooms small, light purple flowers. These flowers have both male and female reproductive parts, making them perfect. Bees typically pollinate black sage flowers during their blooming in the spring. Black sage is also considered to be a keystone species of the coastal sage scrub plant community in the southern half of the state. Black sage is a keystone species because quite a variety of birds, bees, butterflies, insects, and animals depend on this plant for nourishment, habitat, and nesting. Some major adaptations that black sage has is drought resistance and rapid growth rate. Black sage is often recommended for erosion control in the communities and also recommended for coastal sage areas that are in need of restoration. Black sage also belongs to the mint family and has a very pleasant minty odor when the plant is crushed up. Black sage is such a unique plant that plays such an important role in supporting so many life communities across California. And I hope you enjoyed learning a little bit about it today.